Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, if you have some kind of case, you can take it off, or you will have to take it off. And you will also need a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, so you can pop out the tray that is on the upper left side of the phone. Additionally, if you can find it, you can use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get one of them, you want to push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now here you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the cards sideways on the SD tray like this. But if you're planning to use one of each, or just maybe SIM card only, which is completely fine, you would place it obviously on the other tray. And we can insert it back into our device. The cards should start working immediately after inserting it, so you can see that it is telling me to confirm my SIM pin, although I guess you can't see it because it's not in English for some reason. Anyway, there we go. So once confirmed, it will unlock the device, and for some absolutely stupid reason, it will change the language to the language of the SIM card because F your settings. So anyway, to quickly change that, if for some people I understand it might have changed into a language that you might not actually understand, which is frustrating to be understandable. So to revert back to your original language that you have chosen, you will want to just pull down your notifications, tap on the settings icon, scroll all the way down to system, which is the second last option. So I'm going back, you can see it looks like this. And from here we're gonna select the first option, which is language and whatever, and then again first option. And luckily this time around, at least on this phone, it doesn't remove the actual original language that you have chosen, it just sets it as a secondary one. So you just grab it over, drag it to the top, and there we go. As you can see, it just changed. Now if you don't see that language, whatever yours was on the second place, you can obviously add it by tapping on the plus sign right here and finding it again from the list. So anyway, that is for people that just got their language changed to something else. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.